In the exhilarating world of trading, where opportunity is abundant, the right platform becomes your empowering ally for success. JDR Securities is delighted to be your partner on this journey, providing you with the unparalleled MT4 trading platform. Celebrated for its user-friendly interface, reliability, and swift response times, MT4 stands as a beacon of efficiency and accessibility in trading. It's a favorite amongst those who appreciate precision and ease, offering a suite of features designed to make your trading experience not only profitable but also enjoyable. Whether you're an experienced trader crafting strategies or making your debut in the markets, the MT4 platform is tailored to meet your needs, providing a seamless conduit to the dynamic landscapes of trading. Let's commence this exciting adventure of setting up your MT4 platform together, ushering you into a realm of successful and confident trading with JDR Securities. Today, let's quickly get you started with the MT4 trading platform. First, open your web browser. Type in www.jdrsecurities.com and hit enter. Now, look for trading platforms on our homepage. Hover over Platform at the top and select MT4 from the list. On the MT4 page, scroll down to find a download link or button. Choose the right file for your device: Windows, Mac, iPhone, or Android. Then, click it and save it somewhere you can easily find. Next, find and double-click the saved file. Follow the installation wizard's simple steps, and you'll have MT4 installed in no time. Next, let's set up your trading account. If you have an account, log in. If not, create one by filling in your details. Fill up the form with your name, a working email address, and a mobile number. Then, choose your preferred account type and leverage. For the purpose of this video, let's proceed by selecting a USD standard account with a leverage of 1:100. You can also make the MT4 workspace your own. Adjust the settings, layout, and trading instruments to suit your unique trading style. We'll show you how in our next MT4 platform navigation webinar. Don't forget to save your username and passwords. You're all set with MT4. Explore and start trading with confidence. If you need help at any point, our dedicated support team at JDR Securities is here to assist. Don't hesitate to reach out to your dedicated business development managers or connect with us through our Facebook page. Visit our website at www.jdrsecurities.com to learn more about our offers and services. Wishing you a delightful and prosperous trading experience with JDR Securities. Don't just trade, trade better.